Hey guys, we are here at Captain Pete's Boathouse over in the Venture Point area of Lago Vista. This is such a beautiful venue, first off. Secondly, the staff has just been so welcoming and amazing host to us. We are here sponsoring this event, JMR Roofing. We were just so happy. We joined the North Lake Travis Chamber about 2 months ago-ish, and we have had the most welcoming support here. It has been phenomenal being a part of this business community. We were just happy to dive right in, give back, and sponsor this event, and just invest into this Chamber of Commerce because everybody here is just so amazing. The ladies are also having a mixer right now. We're going to go out on this party barge boat for the rest of the day, which is really cool that they're doing that for us. We're so grateful because the rain looks like it's pretty much gone, so it's good. It's nice and sunny out, nice and warm. We at JMR are so proud to be a part of this, and again, we have our office in Marble Falls and our headquarters office in Buda as well, and so hit us up for any of your roofing needs.